I'm Jessica. I'm gonna show you my Barbie stage. Wait for a second. So this is my Barbie stage. It's just look like a Barbie closet, and this is a ribbon, and it's have a name, Barbie, and then this look like the skirt of Barbie. This one. It's like that, and this is what it looked like. There, it's a mirror, like that, but it's just on the picture. And I opened it. I thought this is the lock, but it's just accident. But I can tape that, so it's just like that. Okay, look at on the back. So at the back, it's like this. However, let's see. Get ready, backstage preppers. Okay. Get ready, backstage. Before Barbie go over here, before she model, she need to prepare or change her clothes into beautiful clothes, and she can make up like this one, accessories with a mirror. And now let's go here. She walk the runway. So she can walk now because she prepared already, and now take the fashion show anywhere. So you can hold that anywhere because it have this one. So look at me, I can handle. You can go with anywhere, or you can go for different princess with this one. Like the Barbie closet. You can bring that anywhere. It's just like the Barbie closet. But for this one, it's the Barbie closet. It's a stage. Now for the lock is this one. I have another lock for this one. And we can open it. Oh my god. Now, for the backstage, let's move. This is the backstage. For the backstage, we have skirt. Oh yeah. Okay, this is the shoes. No, it's so messy. Here's I don't know what's this called. It look like, what's the English of what? Truly, I'm not really America. I'm Philippine. I'm just trying to speak English so you can understand it. So this is look like the map one. Mop. And hanger shade skirt. What's this one? Shoes. What's this one? A wallet. Hanger. Like that. And oh, what? A pillow anywhere. And she's gonna put her dress over here. And this was the mirror. Here was the makeups. This is not a real chair. So you can just get the true chair if you had, because I had a chair because I'm a Barbie collector. And hey, this is my brother. He don't know how still to speak, but he can. I'm a Barbie collector. I had dining table with the chair. I had sofa anywhere. I've got a chair. That true chair that you can touch. So I can put that chair on here over this one. On this part, and Barbie can look herself on the mirror. So, and let's have a little bit lights. Yellow lights. Now that's for the backstage, and let's have a cat. But I have a dog. Ow, Gino! That's better. Now, for this one, on the side one, it needs to stick over. Wow, that's really great. And it can be like that. I don't know this one. I just see it. I don't know this one. I just see it. How to do that? Wow, that's really cool and amazing. It can be removed, or if can have a party or just dancing, you can remove this stage and have a little bit lights and dancing your Barbie. Oh wow, I like this one. How much is this? And can remove. And for this one, come here for the stage. This was the stage. So walk there. And this is the background. Here's the lights. Here's the light. Okay, ate, so. Bakit, Jiro? I sorry, I speak Tagalog. And this one, just. Oh! Ay. Here's the stage. Here's the back of the stage. So for this one, the stage, this one, you need to stick over here so it stands properly. Look at. I stick now into it a bit. Now we just need to stick over here. There, I stick now over there. Now for the other one. Oh. Wait a second. This one, can you see it? Now that's one. It needs this one to stick. Ay! This one needs to stick over here. Not only this one part, of course, over in the other one. Ay! It needs to stick so it's straight. And that's it. And let's have a little bit of lights over here. Light. Push that. Talk. I have a light. Now, here's a light one. So, Barbie can model now. And here's the other background of Barbie. So, thank you for watching my video in Barbie stage. So, thank you very much. Let's just remove this one, because it sticks. Oh man, it's so hard. How much is this? Remove over here. I like it. I don't know that one, and I show you that this one can remove. I don't know that. I just try it. I just try it. Okay, finished like a Barbie closet. Bye bye.